Service request task notifications flow. The topics covered in the video include a review of the service request task notification process. Notification guidelines. The task must have an assignee. The task must be in an assigned status. The task type must be set to dispatch. The service request type is not preventative maintenance. Notification schedule. The initial notifications are sent immediately. Reminder notifications are sent every 60 minutes, until the task is accepted. If the task has not been accepted within 90 minutes after the initial notification was sent, the area service manager will be sent a one-time notification. All notifications stop once the task is accepted. Note: technicians are expected to accept their tasks using the Oracle User Interface or mobile field service. The process begins with a decision: is this a new assignee to the task, or a new task status? If the answer is no, a notification will not be sent. The next step in the process is another decision: is the task status in an assigned status? If the answer is no, a notification will not be sent. The next step, also a decision: is the task type equal to dispatch? If the answer is no, a notification will not be sent. The next step in the process is another decision step to see if the service request type is equal to preventative maintenance. If the answer is yes, a notification will not be sent. Note: preventative maintenance service requests are exempt from notifications as these are scheduled monthly. For notifications to be sent, the service request and task must meet the following criteria. 1. The task must have a new assignee or an updated task status. 2. The task status must be in an assigned state. 3. The task type must be set to dispatch. And finally, the service request type is not equal to preventative maintenance. If the criteria is met, the next decision is to see if there is a deferred date and time entered for the task. If the answer is yes, is the current time greater than or equal to the deferred time? If the answer is yes, an initial notification will be sent. If the answer is no and the current date and time is not greater than or equal to the deferred time, the background job will defer the notification until it meets the date and time criteria. Another decision in the process is to determine if there is a contract for the customer. If the answer is yes, is the time of the request within the contract hours? If so, the initial notification is sent. If the request is opened outside of the contract hours, the background job will defer the notification until it meets the date and time criteria. If the customer does not have a contract, the next decision will be: is the request during normal business hours? If not, the background job will defer the notification until it meets the normal business hours criteria. If the request occurs during normal business hours, an initial notification will be sent. Once the initial notification has been sent, the time for reminder notifications is determined for both the technician and the area service manager. The background job runs, which comes to a decision: has the task been accepted? If the answer is no, a reminder notification is sent. If the answer is yes and the task has been accepted, the reminder notifications stop. The background job continues to run, which comes to another decision: has the task been accepted? If the answer is no, the one-time notification is sent to the area service manager. If the answer is yes and the task has been accepted, no notification is sent.